Hi, it's Dan from Tabbility, and this is a quick introduction on SMART goals. So the SMART framework is a useful technique that can help you write goals in a more meaningful way. It stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, and I'm going to illustrate what it means with a simple example. Say I have this rectangle and I come to you, and then I say, hey, can you please swim 20 laps? So this is a relevance aspect. Like swim 20 laps is something you can do, but it has nothing to do with Foursquare. But if I say to you, make it taller, now we can start to have a discussion. And it's time to move to the next phase. So we know that we want to make it taller and it gives you an idea of what we're trying to achieve, but we got to make it specific and measurable. So what it means is to know when you say taller, do we mean something like this? Or do we mean something like that? Like there's a big difference in what we're trying to achieve here. The next bit is to make it attainable and time-bound. It's important to not ask your team to do things that are impossible. And it's important for your teams to understand how much time they have to achieve the goal that you're giving them. So when you say make it taller, do we make it taller in a short amount of time? And is this possible given the team that you have? Or do you mean make it taller with a larger amount of time? Right? So when you are going to give goals to your team, you want to consider all of these aspects together. A simple way to write a SMART goal, this is a boring technique, but it works, is to write your goals in, like pick a metric, a specific metric, and you say that you want it to move from a number today to a specific number in the future, and you indicate which date in the future that's supposed to be. So if I say to you, get better user satisfaction, I get a sense of what we're trying to do, but a better goal for your team would be to say, increase specifically NPS from 15 to 30 by end of a quarter. Another example, increase usage, you want to get specific again. And you want to say, you want to move, for instance, weekly active users from 500 to 650 by the end of a quarter. One thing here is to really think about, what's important here is like, if you say, for instance, weekly active users, that's quite different from daily active users or monthly active users. So you need to spend some time to think about, which metric you want to pick, and how you need to move it. One thing that it makes me think when I look at those, don't do this and do that, is that this looks a little bit like the objective would be to get better user satisfaction, and the key result, which is much more specific, would be increasing NPS. Because there are other things and other metrics that you could be using to measure that. Same here, increasing usage can be a lot of different things, and then you pick one key results that can be weekly active users, but you could have other ways for you to track that. That's it for me. As usual, you can contact us at team@tabbility.io. You can find us on Twitter, Tabbility at Tabbility.io, and check out our website if you want to learn more about a product. That's it for me. I'll see you in another video. Thanks.